the Llanellas Cymru, a bikepacking route across the length of Wales. This country is only small, but it packs a punch with brutal climbs and often terrible weather, as me and my dad experienced firsthand. This is our story of bikepacking across Wales, where we experienced a terrible storm, brutal weather, insane climbs, and everything this country had to throw at us. Cardiff. Day 1, 75 miles to Hay-on-Wye. We knew there was a storm coming, so we wanted to make as much progress as possible before it arrived. After a real mix of weather on day 1, day 2 was only going to get worse. As we left Llandlidlwys and headed up to Porthmadog, we knew it was going to be a really brutal day. 75 miles and well over 5,000 feet of climbing in more horrendous weather. You may have noticed that me and my dad had been separated for quite a lot of the day. I could tell my dad was in a lot of pain. He was suffering with arthritis in his hip. So he made the call that night in Porthmadog to head home and leave me for the final day.
Okay, so I've just said goodbye to Tom. I've decided to abandon. I just got carrying too much weight. I'm in too much pain. My brakes are not working properly, so I'm a bit disappointed, but especially since it's such a lovely day. No wind and rain today, so hopefully Tom will have a good ride up to Holyhead, and I'm just getting a train home. So hey ho, lessons learned.
Now that I was on my own, I had to muster up enough motivation to do the last 70 miles to Holyhead alone. Thankfully, the weather had finally cleared, and I was now able to experience the true beauty of North Wales. I'd done it. I'd finally made it to Holyhead. I'd cycled the length of Wales. When I look back on this trip, I don't look back that fondly. It had all the potential to be a glorious, epic, wonderful adventure with amazing scenery, but we pushed ourselves too much. We did too many miles over too few days, and the weather was shocking. Our lack of experience cost us. We were both exhausted after this trip, and we learned some valuable lessons along the way. So although it wasn't that enjoyable for me, it's made me and my dad tougher and more experienced bike packers, and it's helped me feel confident going to bigger and better places in more remote locations, and trusting my ability to tackle anything that comes my way. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, stick them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.